The memory bank is like a mini journal of highlights. There are 27 spaces to hold your favourite memories from 2023. Simply record the date on the left and your special moment on the line next to it. If 27 spaces isn't enough, you can continue this keepsake on the next page. By the end of the year, you'll have a beautiful time capsule of memories that you can read back on as you prepare for the year ahead. The Date Tracker is a new addition to Curation. It was originally designed to list important dates for 2024, but as is the theme this year, we decided to remove the heading so that you can adapt it to your own needs. You can use this space to continue the memory bank feature. You can use it to track books that you're reading or restaurants that you've dined at. You can use it to list assignments or track medical-related appointments. You know how sometimes you just can't remember when your last dental appointment was, or when you had a skin check or a chiro adjustment or a physio appointment? Well, you could use this space to track all your medical-related appointments so you don't have to flip through every weekly spread to figure it out. As you can see, there are so many ways you can utilize this feature.